So here we have a HP 250 G7 laptop with a smashed screen. Let's get it replaced. First things first, rule number one when you are replacing a screen on a laptop is remove the battery. Rule number two is rule number one, remove the battery, remove it. Now obviously that takes a little while, so you know, you can do rule number three, which is rule number two and number one, remove the battery. Make sure you remove the battery, because 9 times out of 10 you'll be fine, but there'll be that one time where you'll completely destroy your laptop and it won't be working anymore. Right, that's the back cover removed. Here we have the battery held in with 2 screws. Let's get rid of them. Oh, 3 screws. Right, that's the battery removed. We'll pop that over there. Now this bit of plastic here pulls off on this particular laptop. On Lenovo's it slides off, and if you try and pull it when you're supposed to slide it, you'll break all the clips. Trust me, I know that. So Lenovo, it slides. HP, you pull it. Right, there we go. No clips broken. So let's carefully prise this off. Now on this laptop, this part just here is all stuck down with double-sided tape. Now I've already had this off once to make sure I've got the right part number for the screen that I've ordered. So this is coming off easier than it did the first time. There you go, look, all this double-sided tape just here, look. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Bung it round this way. Right, double check I got the right one. Yep, the connector's in the right place, so job's a good one. Carefully peel that off and then pull it out. There we go, one screen removed. Now what we're going to do is the reverse. Lovely jubbly. Right, let's get this screen back in. Right, where's the bezel? Here she is. Right, let's put the battery back in. There we go, the battery's in place. And try some of my new tape I got the other day when the postman's been. Well, it's the right size, so that's a good start. The slightly thicker one goes at the back, and the slightly thinner one goes at the front. That'll do. Let's see if she works. Hey, CMOS reset because I took the battery out. Enter to reboot the system. We have picture without any cracks on it. That's how you replace a screen on a HP 250G7. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, then like and subscribe. See you on the next one.